Right now at 6:30, Homeland Security Secretary Kristi Noem coming to South Florida to talk security at Miami International Airport. Her visit comes 2 days ahead of the expiration of temporary protected status for Haitians.
We were at the press conference and we were able to ask Noem questions directly. Local 10's Trent Kelly is live from Miami International Airport with the details to say. Trent, good morning.
Hey there, good morning, Michaela and Christian. That's right, as you mentioned, Secretary Noem, who of course has been under fire as of late, came to MIA yesterday to talk originally about security, but with TPS set to expire for Haitian nationals in just a few days, we asked her about the status of that program. Kristi Noem, who runs the Department of Homeland Security, coming to Miami International Airport, hoping to talk about the success of the TSA. Instead, she took questions about whether the Trump administration might reverse course and allow Haitian nationals to stay in this country.
Any individual who is from a country where TPS is expiring has an opportunity to appeal that and to look at other programs that they may qualify for, and they have a number of months to do that. They should reach out to the State Department, they should reach out to the Department of Homeland Security, and we will help them with that.
This week, Haitians on temporary protected status join with labor union organizations who represent them, shouting in hopes that there might be an extension coming. Homeland Security still lists Haiti on its website as a level 4 do not travel advisory due to kidnapping, crime, terrorist activity, civil unrest, and limited health care.
The State Department gives us the analysis, and the Department of Homeland Security implements the program. So as TPS for Haiti expires, those individuals can all work with us to see if it is following the law to stay here, and if not, they will return home.
And while speaking yesterday, Secretary Noem claimed that the TPS program was abused during the Biden administration. While she did not directly answer our questions as to whether an extension will be offered for Haitian nationals, she did offer a brief glimmer of hope, saying anyone can call the State Department and request an appeal. We'll, of course, continue to follow this one as things move forward. But for now, that is the very latest live outside MIA this morning. I'm Trent Kelly, Local 10 News.